we can make the silicon steels thinner than you've ever thought before. So traditional silicon steels are in the 12 thousandths, 15 thousandths, 19 thousandths, 20 thousandths of an inch thickness range in terms of what I'll call their thinness. Arnold can offer that much thinner than anyone else can in terms of your non-grain oriented electrical steel needs for your stator. So on this slide for cobalt irons and Arnon, looking at a comparison study, we know that traditional silicon steels cannot carry as much flux per unit area as a high cobalt steel, for example. But what we're showing on this slide is Arnold has a proprietary process that allows us to heat treat the material slightly different to have a higher flux density carrying characteristic than a traditional like an M19 grade steel, for example. So you can use a thinner Arnon to keep your losses as low as possible. It's got a little bit better than traditional M19 shown on this flux carrying characteristics, and it's much more cost effective than a high cobalt iron.